Hiya, Sunny!
Madison's under the trampoline and Sunny can't find her.
She's trying to get me.
Yeah. She's having fun though.
You're right here. Hiya, Sunny! Hi! Hi! Sunny! You scared her from underneath. It's so cute.
What?
Ah!
She's wound up now.
Hiya, Sunny! Hi! 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 Boom! You guys see this face? She's like, oh, I see you!
I don't know if that's gonna put a hole in your trampoline. She's so wound up though.
You found me. Again. Hey, you're attacking my head. Hiya, Sunny!
Hi.
Oh, mercy.
Back in there.
Hey! 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 Ah, she jumped on me.
Look at
Are
you.
you filming it?
Yeah. 'Cause she's super excited.
Maybe you could block out the noise and put it on YouTube. This is cute.
Mm-hmm.
She's still chasing me.
Mm-hmm. She's liking this.
I can't get to you. Hi. Hi, Sunny. Hi. Oh,
Hi.
I'm going to rescue you.
Come here.
Where is she?
She's outside of it. Come here. Come here.
I see water dripping.
Come here. No, right there.
Are you still filming it?
Yeah. That was a lot of bad stuff though, 'cause I was trying to make sure she wouldn't fall.
Sunny!